Chit zone life. Already, we're gonna take you guys. This is Times Square. We're gonna go walking around here, and this is how it's like. This is not even too many people. Most of the time, it's super crowded. Okay, like right now, it's not crowded. It is not crowded. With the summertime, you'll see. Already, beautiful, beautiful.
Have a lot of
We're in Times Square, and this is how Times Square look like. It's a little bit windy, but yeah, yep, it's not too bad today. They got chairs over here. You can come over here, sit. You're beautiful, man. God damn. Lord, she look good. Oh, this old lady. You see all kinds of character out here, guys. That's number thing. Appreciate you guys still active. Chit zone life. Like, share, follow, subscribe. Do what you gotta do. Oh man, thank you. Thank you, man. Oh, he caught me. Yeah, they got a lot of photographers out here. They'll take your pictures, and you just gotta give them a little bit. Okay, this is Times Square. They got Old Navy, gift stores, gift shops. These guys over here. Hey, what is it that you do, man? Don't be scared.
No, don't video.
It is public though. He's this African guy. He mad because they get mad when you video them. Have a good day, brother. Top view. He said, don't video me. Don't video me.
Protection on your downside.
All right, I'm gonna take you guys on the red steps. Let's go on the red steps real quick. I'm gonna take you guys on the red steps. New York City, Times Square, guys. And this is how it look like. I might be moving too fast, but yeah. It's New York City, Times Square. Okay. It is not too bad, it's not too cold, not too hot. You know, it's just in the middle. Appreciate you guys. I can't go all the way over there because the music playing.